Hello everyone. So today we are doing a design breakdown of the Yoru Kimonos. So let's start with the name. Why is it named Yoru Kimonos? So Yoru in Japanese means evening. So why evening kimono if you would ask? So traditional kimonos are much more heavier and they are worn in a very traditional way with your entire body covered. If you would, take a look at traditional kimonos, most of them at least. But if you see this entire range, it is much more lighter, including the one that I'm wearing. So it has a lighter feel to it. You can move around, you can wear them in your day to day. They are not really, specifically sided out for special occasions. You can of course wear them for special occasions, but you can also wear them in your day-to-day life. That's why it is Yoru Kimonos. And coming down to the design elements of the kimono, so one, it has pockets. That is something I try whenever possible, that most of the outfits from Asian me has uh, have pockets. So has pockets, has wide sleeves. So of course, one good thing about wide sleeves is that you can go through multiple wears, which means that they don't really get stuck in your armpits, and they get all sweaty. So you can go through multiple wears without getting all sweaty, and then ultimately give it for a wash. Like most of them are actually meant to be dry cleaned. I know that's one extra step. That's why going through multiple wears before you give it for dry cleaning is a good idea. And coming down to the prints, so a kimono has this huge advantage of bringing that splash of color or splash of print to your otherwise basic outfit. So if you see, today I'm wearing it with waffling pants from Asian Me, because they already have that Asianness to them. I thought, let me pair this with the kimono, and I have oftentimes in the past also worn the pants with the kimono that I have in my wardrobe. But you can of course wear it with jeans, with leggings, with skirts, with any sort of bottom. And coming down to what I'm layering it with, I'm wearing like a basic slip that most of women have. And if you're a guy, wear it either with a t-shirt or a ganji, something more basic. Of course, if you want to go a step ahead and style it with a story of its own, that's a different thing. But if you want the kimono to be the hero of the outfit, because it has its own structure and its print and its color going on, then I would suggest wear something more basic and more muted colors with it, and let the kimono do the talking and give that Asian feeling and that newness to your entire look. Coming down to the structure, so if in this one, because this is made out of a more lighter fabric, it is falling freely. But if you will see, if you look at this one, this has got much more structure to it. Let me just show how it looks on my body. So this is a size XL. uh, so all the kimono sizes are, because they are anti-fit, so they can be worn between sizes. So on the website there are two sizes available, one is M and one is XL. And even there I have clearly written that an M can be worn by someone who is a S, M and L, like small, medium and large, someone who fits into that size. And an XL again can be worn by someone who is an L, XL, and someone who wears a double XL too. So this is how this one is fitting me. If you will see, the sleeves are falling straight. They have their structure of their own. So depending on what kind of look you want in your day-to-day life, you can go for something which is free falling, like this one. These are all made out of much lighter fabrics, and most of them which are made out of a sari have lining, so that is why they have the fullness and more sturdiness to them. If we go through different fabrics that they are made out of, because all of them are made out of different fabrics, and at the moment their sizes available only in this and the one that I'm wearing, and even this M has got sold out in this one. So XL, the one that I'm wearing, is available in this, and a M and an XL is available in this, which can be worn between like S to XL. So basically, let's just quickly go through all the fabrics that are there. So these are made out of a handloom sari, a mix. This is a fabric which has a personality of its own, I which I already had in my fabric collection, so I used here. So it's a combination of a black and a blue, but it is the same fabric which has been flipped. So it is a dual toned fabric. This is a mix of cotton and polyester. Normally I don't go for a polyester mix, but why I used, because it was upcycled, so that reduces the impact on the planet. And again, this is a mix of two fabrics. This is khadi and a regular cotton fabric, a very unique piece. Coming down to this one, again cotton, so printed cotton over like a light blue cotton fabric. This one is made out of a sari, and this one is a hand block printed fabric plus the kamcha fabric. This is one of my favorites. So these two pieces, the blue kimono and this one, these are my favorites from this collection. And the third one, the last one, is this one, which is made out of linen and again a cotton block printed fabric. So yeah, this is the entire range of kimonos, and they really are a great add-on to your wardrobe, and and a great way to bring some Asianness into your life, into your wardrobe, and in a much more functional and day-to-day wear, and more less flashy and more functional, I would say. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and do check out the entire kimono range. Like, all these are all the designs that I've already shown in the video, so you can go to the website and check out all the prices and all the pieces, and the sizes and all the other pieces from Asian Me, and also the Voxling pants that I'm wearing today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.